What is up, guys? It's a new dawn, it's a new day here in beautiful Thailand, and I want to show you the garden of my 2,500 baht per month rental home. The garden is a little bit jungleistic, but I have been fighting with it, fighting and winning. So I've been tackling all of these weeds. Right, remember I had a video where I pulled out a lot of weeds here. Well, I didn't pull them all out because a lot of them came back. Look at these, I absolutely love these. I don't know what you call them, but it's brilliant. Hey, absolute monsters. You could use that as an umbrella. And how's my lamiais getting on? Looking brilliant. Oh yes, these are fantastic. Squeezed it. Yummy. Oops, dropped it. Yum yum yum. Now I want a water catchment system from here. I'm catching it in there, but this so much water comes rolling off of this. And this bit here, I'm going to bring my high pressure washer and clean off all of this moss. This is terrible looking, and we'll give this whole area a right good buzz down. Oh, I forgot to go into widescreen. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I'll be pulling out all of the weeds from along the gate runner here. Look, I don't know what's happened to this. There's something here that's eating my lily pads. Look, they've eaten the flowers as well. The wee scum thing. I don't know what it is, but I'll find it and I'll get it. Now, coming up to my fish tank. This, I think, will be the first live video. I will be cleaning out this, filling it full of water and testing that it is 100% watertight so I can put my fish in it. I have 6 koi carp, and I don't know, I'll stick in 100 or so of my little platinum mollies. So that's getting better. Getting better. It's going to get better. This is all the crap, all the rubbish that I pulled out from the garden. It's unreal. Unreal. Do you know, it's still not everything. There's still a lot of stuff around. Now I rescued these. This is papaya, and just decorative, a wee papaya there. So I rescued them from when I was pulling out all the weeds from around here. Look at the garden now, folks. Oh, it's coming along rather nicely. I have been whipping it down, snipping it down with my strummer, strumming it down. And I'll tell you something, these long vines are an absolute nightmare. An absolute nightmare. Yeah. Oh, so the last 2 or 3 nights I've just been having a little bit of a fire here. And I've just been picking up the bits of wood that can go in here. Okay, so this fire pit here is the inside of a washing machine. It's just a washing machine drum, stainless steel, was it? And this is the inside of a computer, personal computer PC, and that's a bit of a fan. So I'll be collecting all of this ash and I'll be putting it on my veggie patch and my flowers and everything just to boost the nitrogen. I have a lot of wood here that will be going on to a fire, but look, yeah, it's just people have been burning so much here, and it's just, I like a tidy campfire, right? I've done a lot of camping in my days, and I like a tidy campsite. This to me is, yeah, I'll just get the rake into this and I'll pull up all the bits of wood and I'll just fill it in here. Made myself a little chair, or a seat of sorts last night. And oh, look at all the lamiais here. Yeah, boy. I'll try and eat this one without dropping it. Yeah. Oh, juicy. Yes. In the mouth. Alright, back to the gardening. Yeah, these vines, I don't know what to say about these things. Absolute nightmare. But I think if I keep on keeping at it, I'll get them all. The thing is, like they're in the ground, and then 1 meter along there'll be another one, and then 1 meter this way there'll be another one. So I just need to keep on pulling them out as I'm outside here. Yeah, but look, when you just grab a handful of stuff, you just get all these vines. It's crazy. And I'm trying to, like that is the base. So I try and get it out by the roots, and then it shouldn't come back again. Look at this one. Oh yes, look, oh that's a big one. This is the best example I can give you. Right, and I've got to get it out by the roots. Oh. Okay, there, perfect example for you. That is what it looks like under the ground, and it's just they grow for meters and meters and meters, and then, you know, they latch down into the ground, and then they start rooting into the ground. Oh, there's another big one. Get this one out. Yes! Oh, my goodness. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing the last few days, or nights. Few nights and days. It's a struggle, I'm not going to lie. It is a proper struggle dealing with these things. I think I'd be finished in half the time if I wasn't dealing with these. But I am very, very happy with how it's turned out. Look at it, yes! And you know what I've got in my car? My electric lawnmower. I have my electric leaf blower. I have a lot of my gardening stuff. And the cat and dog's just having a wee bit of fun. Enjoying the short grass, are we? We enjoy the short grass. Right. Right, jump. Hey, babies, come on, that's enough. Right, oi, break it up, you two, break it up. Oh, break it up. Oh. Run away. Hey, if you're wondering what that is, in the dry season, in the hot season, the owner was coming in here and he opened this up, then he would go to a water tower over there, then he'd turn on the water and it would come out like a fire hydrant, and it would flood all of this area. And he says it was just for the trees, but the water just came over here, and I see he's built up a sort of barrier. Not the best barrier, and the water just went over here and then rolled down there into this pipe, well, into this guttering. So this water is basically the same as that goes into someone else's orchard, fruit tree orchard. It's starting to rain, guys, so I'll just take you round the side to show you my vegetable patch. Yeah, this all needs done up. I can't wait to get into this. So the first live, hopefully, maybe tomorrow morning, don't know. I'm just so unprepared, and I'm learning new stuff, this OBS, so I will bring my laptop. I'll bring my laptop here, put it there, then I'll use my phone for the camera. I think that's how to do it. Now, let me show you my wee veggie patch down here. Oh, look in the car. What is this, everybody? What is this? Oh, is this a new toy? Is it a new toy? Oh, the bloody light. Yes, it is a new toy. We're going to review this. So we are, aren't we? Okay, so come and have a look. We're going to be using that toy on this tool. I should call it a tool. It's not a toy, it's an actual working tool. Because we're getting a little bit big with these trees. And this one is bloody huge. I noticed it last night. I was like, whoa, when did that grow so fast? But it's only been 2 months. 2 months and that thing has grown 15 feet high. Bloody hell. So I do have a chainsaw. I might chainsaw it down. Well, I will chainsaw it down. And this here, I'm going to have to pull out, well, I want to, I can do anything I want, really. I can cut it with the strimmer, I can cut it with the hedge trimmer, or I can pull out every weed by hand. By pulling every weed out by hand, it means that I'm not leaving any roots in the ground for the roots to grow back out again, and again, out again. There you go guys, that's a little update for you, and I would like to apologise for not uploading enough videos. I know I said I would do daily videos, but I've figured out that I want to do live videos, one in the morning, one in the evening in Thai time. So that's the plan. I'm sorting this OBS out so I can do a lot of fancy things on it. So yet again guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.